So this video is about DIY happiness, do-it-yourself happiness. Here I am in the great outdoors in Canada, Ontario. Woke up to this snow. It's so beautiful here. This is my church. This is my grounding space. This is where I come to just peace out, connect with nature, find my rhythm, plant myself firmly in amongst these trees in this beautiful, blissful Mother Gaia that we have. And I get to take my dog out for a walk at the same time. So, DIY happiness, okay? I just wanna, this is what I do. It's all about perception. Happiness, joy, love, ecstasy is all about state of mind. It's the way we perceive things, and our perceptions are basically all built on our past experiences. Things we've done, things that people have said, situations we've been in, all have molded whether or not something is good in our life, something is threatening, something is painful. And from there, we look at what's happening to us or what possibly could happen in the state of, being in the future and the fear of the future, because this happened to us before, so this is going to happen again. It's this kind of thinking that we have. So DIY happiness, do-it-yourself happiness, is about going beyond your perceptions. As an example, what if all this shit that's going on in the world right now, if you've been paying attention, not to the mainstream narrative, but the other stuff that's been going on, you could think that we're in a very dark place, that things are going to get really, really bad. Now, that's one way of looking at it. And that all these characters that have been doing all this to us are really nefarious, evil, awful people. And there's an agenda, and they're gonna, I don't even really want to get into it because that's just all fear porn, and that's what the mainstream narrative is all about. But what if, going back to the what if this is all for us to wake up, to get out of this dream state, this spell that we've been into, this illusion that the world works in such a way where we have, the main people of importance, that we look up to and we idolize happen to be celebrities, sports celebrities, people that actually do nothing. And we idolize them and we look up to them because they wear cool clothes, they have cool places to live, they do cool things. This is where we've been deceived into thinking that we need to have all these monetary values, these material goods, where we've all turned into consumers. And this is the Joneses concept, where we have to keep up with the Joneses. And we've been led to believe that it's all in competition. It's you versus them, you versus the mighty. And this whole perception, this worldview is maybe a trap. I don't know. Think about it. Maybe it's a trap to keep you so busy and preoccupied that you'll never look for the truth and you'll never find happiness, because happiness is power. When you're in a state of joy, you're in a state of this oneness where you am vibing with your mind, your heart, your soul, and you're in resonance with this that's out there. That is the ultimate state of being. And you're not controllable because you see through everything. So what if? Back to the what if. If all these characters that are out there are to deceive you only, but to wake you up from that dream state, that spell, that indoctrination. And it's all so you can Slowly do what you're doing right now. You're probably thinking differently about the world. If you're not in that fear state and you're starting to question things, you're starting to maybe appreciate what this is out here, this nature. Maybe your relationships have changed, where you're now finding quality, like-minded people, not the fluffery of hanging out with people on a status level. Maybe you're not eating in those fluffy restaurants anymore and doing fluffy things anymore. And you're doing quality things. You're actually growing some of your own food. You're eating organic. You're eating high vibrational foods, hanging out with high vibrational people and being in high vibrational places. And now you're tuning in. This is what I've been doing. I've been tuning in slowly, ever so slowly, waking up. And that's the whole concept of waking up. You start seeing past the illusion and the bullshit. This world that's actually been put together as one big deception to steal your power, to take away from who you really are. So you never gain the power. You never wake up to who you really are, because that's threatening. You know who you are and you're sitting in your divine truth. You're not controllable. So anyway, this is my message of the day. That's do-it-yourself happiness. Seeing through all the bullshit, connecting, raising your vibration, hugging a tree, being kind, you know, letting go of all these so-called comforts that all they do is keep us trapped. So anyway, blah, blah. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, just helps build this channel. So anyway, be well, go out in nature, hug a tree, be love. Thank you.